Yo, what's going on? It's a little special something today, not so much a review, but more of a kind of a sneak peek look at this special box I got in the mail. Milwaukee sent me a pack out full of gold money. No, some new tape measures. We saw these bad boys at NPS, but because some of the patents on some other things weren't up yet for some other brands, they didn't have fully working models there for us to look. But I think some patents ran out like last month on some other tapes, so they got a whole new line of tape measures. If anybody remembers last year, they came out with a whole new line of tape measures called the Stud. I got a sweet t-shirt that says Stud on the back of it they gave me. Pretty good tape measures. They were super durable. That doesn't faze it. That's fine. Bulky. The one thing about them I didn't like, they were too big. These new ones, they listen. They are a lot smaller. So here is the 25-footer Stud with magnet. And also another thing I liked, which wasn't a super complaint, is the fact that they put, on all the tape measures, they put the rule on the back. So you got that going on now. And all of them come in the magnetic version. They're durable. Like that. So magnet on it. And so it comes in 4 different flavors. So we got a compact stud right here. This thing's got like a 12-foot standout, so pretty common as far as most tape measures and stuff. It's got more of a traditional hook on the like, so this will be nice for trim and stuff. So it's supposed to be pretty durable, just as durable as the other ones. This is the compact magnetic, and this one has the finger catch right there, so you don't have to worry about it hitting you, and it's got the magnet on it. And then we got, this is the wide blade. So what's nice about the wide blade, they're claiming 14 feet of standout. There's 10. 11. 12. 13. Oh, that's 13. I'll only get 14. That wasn't any movie magic with somebody holding that other end out there either. I'll be putting these bad boys to work. Where'd that other couple go? So they're a little bit smaller than the old studs, and I like the old studs as far as how they felt. It still has a real comfortable feeling, but it's smaller. So here is the 25-foot stud magnetic. Here's the 25-foot Fat Max. Real nice tape measure. It's a little bit bigger, but not much bigger than this. The old stud was huge. It was like the size of a 25-footer was the size of a 35-footer Stanley Fat Max. And so here's the old 16-foot. The 16-foot is almost as big as this 25-footer. Yeah, they're sweet new tape measures. We're gonna test that 14-foot standout on that wide blade. It's supposed to have the longest, straightest standout. Look forward to using these more, and check like my Instagram. You'll probably see me using these a lot more over there. Yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.